Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of ANALYST IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic Global Launch of Mission LiFE. We will discuss this particular news in the following series. First, why it is in news, followed by about Mission LiFE, followed by Prelims practice question, followed by Mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about Polity class of Analyst IAS, which will start from 21st of November, CSAT class of Analyst IAS, which will start from 14th of November, and current 365 class of Analyst IAS, which will start from 9th of January. And along with that, we will also start class on Public Administration Optional. So you can inquire about any of the following course on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on to our discussion and see why Mission LiFE is in news. The Prime Minister launched Mission LiFE, that is Lifestyle for Environment, in the presence of UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres at the Statue of Unity at Ekta Nagar in Kevadia, Gujarat. So this brings Mission LiFE into news. It is very important topic from UPSC perspective. Now we will see what is LiFE. At the 2021 UN Climate Change Conference, UNFCCC COP26, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, announced Mission LiFE to bring individual behaviour at the forefront of the global climate action narrative. LiFE envisions replacing the prevalent use-and-dispose economy governed by the mindless and destructive consumption with a circular economy, which would be defined by mindful and deliberate utilization of every resource. So this was about LiFE. Now we will see what are the approaches which will be followed in Mission LiFE. Focus on individual behaviors. Make LiFE a mass movement, that is Jan Andolan, by focusing on behaviors and attitude of individual and community. This is the first approach. Second approach is co-create globally. Crowdsource empirical and scalable ideas from the best mind of the world through top universities, think tanks and international organization. This is second approach. The third approach is leverage local culture. Leverage climate friendly social norms, beliefs and daily household practices of different culture worldwide to drive this particular campaign into a successful mass movement. So this is the approach which we will follow in Mission LiFE. Now we will discuss about the objective of Mission LiFE. It aims to promote an environmentally conscious lifestyle that focuses on mindful and deliberative utilization of every resource instead of mindless and wasteful consumption. It aims to utilize the power of collective action and nudge individuals across the world to undertake simple climate-friendly action in their daily lives. It aims to create and nurture a global network of individuals, namely pro-planet people, that is P3, who will have a shared commitment to adopt and promote environmental friendly lifestyles. And it seeks to leverage the strength of social network to influence social norms surrounding the climate. So these were the objective of Mission LiFE. Now we will see other related initiative with regard to climate change. First one is Glasgow Climate Meet COP26. Glasgow Meet strengthened the Paris Agreement mechanism of eliciting pledges from countries and ratcheting them up over time. At COP26, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced India's Panchamrit strategy with the target for climate action that included initiatives like International Solar Alliance and the Coalition for the Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, that is CDRI. Other initiatives are International Solar Alliance, as we already discussed. The ISA was conceived as a joint effort by India and France to mobilize effort against the climate change through the deployment of solar energy solutions. And various national schemes like National Action Plan on Climate Change, National Clean Air Program and National Biofuel Policy, etc. These are various initiatives similar to the Mission LiFE taken by Indian government. Now we will discuss the future prospect of Mission LiFE. India, UN and other 26 entities are proud and committed partner in this particular Mission LiFE to help give new lease of life to climate action. LiFE is a global vision. India is an excellent place to start this particular mission. With over 1.3 billion people, if we achieve a true Jan Andolan here, the momentum generated will be enormous. So definitely with India's support, this mission can become very successful. So it is a pledge and it is also our responsibility to follow this Mission LiFE into our daily lives. So now let's move on toward our prelims practice question, which says consider the following statement regarding the Global Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. The first statement is it envisions enabling measurable reduction in infrastructure losses from disasters and extreme climate events. The second statement is it is launched by French government. You have to pick up the correct statement, which is not correct. Option A is 1 only, option B is 2 only, option C is both 1 and 2 and option D is neither 1 nor 2. Pick up the incorrect statement and write it in comment box. I will answer this question in my next video. Now we will discuss yesterday's question, which says which one of the following is not a Harappan site. So the correct answer for this particular question is answer C. Shahgora is not a Harappan site. Now we will move on toward our mains practice question, which says the lifestyle for environment, that is LiFE mission, resonates with the global climate justice India has rightfully called for. Comment. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Thank you for attending this session. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS to get further updates. Thank you.